Good morning, dear students. Today we'll see a few more examples based on Cauchy's integral formula as well as generalized Cauchy's integral formula. So these examples are very important and repeatedly asked in the paper. Question is, evaluate using Cauchy's integral formula integration of this circle belongs to closed curve, integration of closed curve. So sine pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2 into dz, where C is the circle of mod z is equal to 3. Means this is a circle of radius 3. Now the given integral will take as it is. Here f of z is nothing but the numerator part, sine pi z square plus cos pi z square. So here, before getting the evaluation of this integral, we need to simplify 1 upon z minus 1 and z minus 2, because these two brackets are in multiplication. So separation will be done by using the form by what here partial fraction. So first we will resolve 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2 by partial fraction. So 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2 can be written as 1 upon z minus 1 plus b upon a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z minus 2. So on solving, means you simplify this, you know this regular base concept. On simplification, if you put z is equal to 1, you will get the value of b as 1, and if you put z is equal to plus 2, you will get the value of a as minus 1. So you simplify these values and get the values a and b here. So I will not again go in detail for this now. So apply this a and b value in this partial fraction. What format we have made? It will be a value is minus 1 upon z minus 1 and b value is 1 upon, so rearrange it. So first positive term you take it, 1 upon z minus 2 and minus of 1 upon z minus 1, multiplying sine pi z square plus cos pi z square on both sides. Why we are multiplying this? This means we have numerator, whatever is there we have to multiply to satisfy the left hand side, so that we can get the answer of this. So multiply sine pi z square plus cos pi z square on both sides, then take integration. So if you do this two concept, multiplying this function and integration, so whatever question they have asked will get on the left hand side. If you apply here that, you will get the left hand side of that into dz. So integration of this into sine pi into z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 2 minus sine integration of sine pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 into dz here. So given, what is given, I have taken, so they have given the circle mod z is equal to 3. They have given the circle what here, mod z is equal to 3. So therefore by Cauchy's and mod z equal to, so in the first integral the value of a is 2 and the second integral value of a is 1. So here 2 and 1 both inside this circle of radius 3, both are inside point. Z is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1, both are inside the point, inside the circle of radius 3. So therefore we can apply Cauchy's integral formula, and here we don't have any power, so no need to apply any generalized Cauchy's integral, only we need to apply Cauchy's formula. So as per the direct formula, so right hand side of Cauchy's integral formula is 2 pi I of f of a. Here a is 2 for this integral, minus as it is 2 pi I into f of a. Here a value is 1. So I am writing these two cases directly as per the formula of Cauchy's integral formula. So simplify f of 2, but we know that our f of z is, what here, sine pi z square plus cos pi z square. Here in this you replace z is equal to 2, so we'll get what here, sine pi 2 square plus cos pi 2 square, and similarly replace z is equal to 1 here and we'll get the second integral result. So therefore on simplifying the both, thus will get finally 4 pi I. One of the very important example for examination point of view. Now simplify, so we'll get 4 pi I.